Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Creative Blessing. If you're stopping here for the first time, thank you so much. If you're already a subscriber, you know I got you all. So today's video, I'm going to share with you the 6 things you need to stop doing as a small creator. Guys, if you know you're starting YouTube for the first time, if you know you're just coming on the space of YouTube, you're a newbie, you're a beginner just like I am, sit down carefully so we can avoid these mistakes. Yes, why are you going to listen to me? Because I'm a small creator who has made the same mistake. I've learned from my mistake, and here I am to show you guys how to avoid these mistakes. And yeah, so we can all grow together. Okay, now I brought my pen and my paper today because I don't want to miss anything. Okay, I just want to make sure I share every single experience with you, and I'm sure this is going to help you. So please do well to subscribe at the end of this video if this video added something to you. But if you feel this video did not do anything to you, don't worry, you will know you're going to subscribe. Now, the first thing you need to avoid, if you know you're a new creator, if you know you're new to the space of YouTube, stop telling your friends and family to like, watch, subscribe to your channel. Okay, see, you don't have to come after me. The reason why you need to stop, I used to tell my friends, I used to tell my family, watch my video, please subscribe, please like, please share. Yeah, it went ahead to harm my channel in a way. Yes, I understand. They're your friends and family. Why should it harm? Most of them are not interested in your content. See, let me tell you, 80% of your family members have something they like. Yeah, it doesn't mean, they don't want to support you. The thing is, they have something they want to do. Allow people to do things on their own. Don't compel them. Some of us are telling them to watch, and whenever they watch this video, they watch it because we are telling them to watch. Some of them actually watch when we are there. Now, after they have subscribed to your channel and you post videos, do you know most of them they just click on that video and they go away? And you know what I will do to your channel? It will give the algorithm a wrong signal. It makes the algorithm think your videos are not exciting. Maybe the videos are not, they do this thing innocently, actually, because they don't know. They are not content creators, they are not creating YouTube content. So they feel like, okay, the moment I click and I just like the video and that is it. And no, they have to watch the video. So if you know you're still telling your friends to watch your video, like, subscribe, just stop. Because you're going to get your audience. If you do the right thing, I'm going to say in this video, you will get your audience, you will get your subscribers, you're going to get your like, you're going to get genuine comments on this channel. Sometimes some of you try to make me cry. I'm not going to cry. I'm not gonna cry because the comments are so emotional and heartwarming. Some of you tell me how amazing I am, and you know what? It makes me so excited. Now, another thing you need to avoid. hmm, I did that same mistake, oh. So that's why I'm telling you guys to avoid it. See, if you have a video that is already doing well in your channel, I mean that video is better than every other video. It could be 300 views, 500 views, 600 views, so long that video has more views in your channel. Don't change anything on that video. See, I know sometimes we feel like over sabi, or should I use the word, we feel so, we want to add more things. And guys, you don't have to add, subtract, minus, divide. Leave the video the way it is. You see the way YouTube is recommending that video, you see the way YouTube is pushing that video, just leave that video. The moment you change anything on that video, it could be the title, it could be the hashtag, it could even be the description. Trust me, YouTube will consider that video like a new video automatically. It will start growing like a new video. And you don't want your video to start from the scratch. A video that is already doing well. This is for the videos that are doing well. Oh. Now, some of you will say, what about the ones that are not doing well? See, let me tell you, not all videos will do well on your channel. Some may not do well. That's why sometimes when I see low views, I'm not bothered. You know why? It may be I did not do something right. It could be my audience don't want to see that video. It could even be, you know, the algorithm. So you never can tell. the particular video that is going to do well. Then when you see the one that is doing well, you now go and start changing, editing, adding, removing, even thumbnails. Leave it alone. Just leave it alone. Allow that video to continue doing well. And if you know you have the one that is not doing well already, yes, there are situations where if you change title and descriptions, it actually helps. That is for a video that is not doing well at all. But you see those ones that are doing well on your channel, leave them. See, a video may take time. It could even take a video 3 days, some videos 1 week, some videos 6 months, yes, some videos even a year, all of a sudden to just blossom. So leave that video like that, okay? Now, the next thing you're going to do, if you know you're getting value, subscribe. Now, the next thing I did, I know I made that same mistake as a creator. I don't watch my videos. See, whenever you upload your videos, and maybe you go to your YouTube app and you're scrolling through, you're just going through your YouTube videos and other videos on YouTube, and you see your video. Guys, sometimes I just skip the video. It is very bad. You're still one of those people that YouTube have shown the video. Yes, I know it's kind of boring watching yourself over and over again because you know exactly what you want to say. But you know what? Make sure you watch that video to the end. If possible, like it, drop a comment. It actually helps the video because YouTube is also showing it to you to watch. So when I see these things, most times I will just scroll through. I never knew it was actually affecting my videos and affecting my channel. So whenever you see your videos, even you as a creator, watch your video, enjoy yourself, embrace yourself, tell yourself you're doing well. Even if nobody is appreciating you, you see what? Appreciate yourself, boost your confidence. I always appreciate myself because you don't need any other person to appreciate you. The first person to appreciate you is you. You. So you don't need any other person to tell you anything else. Okay? So guys, the fourth mistake I made was deleting my videos. Yes, it happened to me. See, let me tell you, whenever you upload a video, sometimes we go through our videos, we go back to our videos, we watch the videos. Sometimes we even notice errors, like we notice we made some mistake, maybe we're in a hurry, we didn't edit very well, and you're like, oh my god, I just lose guard, I didn't really do well on that particular part of my video, and you go ahead to delete that video. Guys, it's not a good thing. Okay, make sure you don't delete your videos. Leave those videos the way they are. Trust me, sometimes those particular videos might actually blow up in the future, and sometimes deleting the video is like sending a negative signal to the algorithm. Okay, so don't delete your videos. Instead of deleting your video, just go ahead, move on, just leave it in the past. Okay, move on and do better. I know some videos may be very bad, I mean like really bad, and you have to delete. Fine, but don't delete your videos consistently. Some persons are always deleting their videos. See, you may even get to monetize your channel, and maybe when you get to monetization, you already have like 30 videos on your channel, and because one particular video gave you all your watch hour, the ones you've been uploading, you just go ahead and delete all of them. That action alone can even make YouTube not to monetize you. So let's be very, very careful with deleting our videos. The best thing you can do, just leave them. I would say just go ahead and leave them. Okay, so don't do that mistake. Don't always be quick to delete your videos. Don't be quick to delete your videos. Now, the fifth thing you need to avoid, let me look at my book very well so I don't miss any point. Give your video time to blow up. See, I understand as a small channel, as a small creator, as a new creator, you upload your videos after 24 hours, you're seeing like 10 views, 20 views. Sometimes some people are not even getting up to 5 views. I understand. Sometimes this could actually be some mistakes coming from our end, and if you're such a new channel, the algorithm may not have noticed your channel. Maybe the algorithm is yet to see your channel. That is why I say keep posting, be consistent. try to put out more information. I would even advise, if you're a new creator that is just starting a new channel for the first time, try and upload like 2 videos at once. Don't upload 1 video. If possible, in a day, try upload like 2 videos. That is when you are starting a fresh channel, like you're starting that channel afresh. The reason you upload that 2 videos is because you want to give the algorithm enough information, like enough. After that, upload your videos 1 at a time, please. Don't go and upload videos 2 times in a day every time and say I'm the one that told you that. No. See, you can actually upload like twice for that first moment, so YouTube can understand your channel and they can actually know what you're here to do. Now, the last but not the least, it actually happened to me. It affected my video. It affected the retention of my video. This particular automatic chapters, yes, it has a way of helping and it has a way of destroying. Not all videos need automatic chapters. Not all videos. Some videos are just good without chapters, while some videos are actually good with chapters, so your audience can actually go for some specific part of your videos they want to see. Now, whenever you're uploading a video and you've not added chapter to that video and you publish that video, don't go ahead to add chapters, because if you add chapters to a video you've already published, that video automatically starts working like a new video all over again. So the best thing you do, you leave it the way it is. If you know you did not add chapters before publishing that video, leave it like that. And if you know you want to add chapters to your videos, make sure you do it before you publish. Before you put your video on public, make sure you put your chapters. There's this particular video I did on my channel, even not just 1, I think 2. I added chapters after I have uploaded this video, and I noticed my views dropped. And the moment your views drop, your retention drops, YouTube will feel like people are not enjoying that video, and it's because I went to add chapters. Who sent me? So the best thing to do, if you know you don't want to add, don't add. If you want to add it and publish together. Don't add after publishing. Okay, so if you know you found this video helpful, if you know I've tried, please do well to subscribe, comment, share this video, and tell me what you think in the comment section. I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Bye.